Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Pitman Shorthand in Telugu. I am your Phanirani. In this advanced phrases series, today's advanced phrase word is activity. Activity. It is a word of the A's and it thus represented in phrases by intersecting with. Look at the examples. First one is activities of the labor union. Here we are omitting of the activities. Activities means T, V and T circulars. Activities L bar labor union N with N hook. This is activities of the labor union. Next one is activities of the leader of the house. Activities of the leader of the house. Activities already we have shown T with V hook and T with circulars. Activities leader of the house. This is leader of the house. L doubling stroke with the circulars. This is leader of the house. Activities of the leader of the house. Here of the is omitting. Next one is activities of the leader of the opposition. Activities of the leader L doubling stroke with circulars and shan hook. Leader of the opposition. Activities of the leader of the opposition. This is activities of the leader of the opposition. Next one is activities of the members. T with a hook, activity V hook and T circulars. Activities bar circulars. This is activities of the members. Activities of the members. Next one is, just a minute, activities of various parties. Activities of the various parties. Activities T with V hook and T with circulars. Activities of various parties. Activities of the various V and upward or circulars and P with circulars. This is activities of various parties. Next one is activities of the workers. Activities of the workers. Were with downward or with circular doubling stroke. Activities of the workers. Activities of the workers. Next one is activities of the union. Activities of the union. Activities of the union, N with N hook. This is activities of the union. Next one is banking activities. Banking activities. B-ing K full stroke, T with V hook and T with circular S. B-ing and K banking activities. T with circular S. T with F hook with V hook with T and circular S. Banking activities. Next one is developmental activities. Disjoining of D, V and M activities. Disjoining of D, V and I will write here D, V and M activities. This is developmental activities. Next one is economic activities. Economic activities. Economic activities. K, N and K, economic activities. This is economic activities. Next one is illegal activities. Illegal activities. L doubling gull and activities. Upward L doubling gull and activities. Illegal activities. Okay friends, next one is industrial activities. Industrial activities. Industrial activities. N doubling like this and activities. This is industrial activities. Next one is local activities. Local activities. L with cul. This is the local activities. Local activities. Next one is military activities. Military activities. M doubling stroke activities. This is military activities. Missionary activities. Next one is missionary activities, missionary activities. M with Shanhuku upward activities. M with Shanhuku upward activities. This is missionary activities. Next one is naval activities. Naval activities. N val, T with V hook and T with circulus. Naval activities. Next is ordinary activities. Ordinary activities. Ordinary activities. Ordinary activities. Next one is party activities. Party activities. Party activities. P, T, V hook with T and circulus. This is party activities. Next, political activities. Political activities. Pal, kal, T, F hook with T and circulus. Political. P half length stroke, kal, political activities. This is political activities. And next one is religious activities. Religious activities. Ray, L, J circulus and disjoining of activities. Ray, L, J circulus and disjoining of activities. T with V hook and T circulus. Religious activities. School activities. Next one is school activities. School activities. Circulus, kal, school activities. School activities. Next one is similar activities. Circulus M should be below the line and VT's activities. Circulus M and T with V hook and T with circulus. Similar activities. Next, taking their activities. Taking their activities. T, K doubling and activities. T, K doubling and activities. Taking their activities. Next one is workers. This is the last one, last but not least. Workers activities. Word doubling stroke, workers activities. Word with circulus doubling activities. This is workers activities. Okay friends, in next video I will come with another phrase word. This phrases series, advanced phrases series is continuously going on. Don't worry, I will daily or day by day upload one video of advanced phrases. Okay friends, practice advanced phrases. These will help you very much in speed, increasing your speed and facilitate joining and strokes knowledge. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment also. Thank you.